And Reggae Boyz head coach Paul Hall says he is demanding a competitive performance from his team against Peru in Thursday's friendly international in order to be a part of the squad for the qualifiers later this month. Simon Preston reports.
The boys departed the island on Monday for Peru in what will be Jamaica's only dress rehearsal ahead of the 3 upcoming World Cup qualifiers. Hall is hoping the players can give him a selection challenges for the World Cup qualifiers later this month to force their way into the Mexico matchday squad.
The expectation is down to the players. You know, the expectation is I expect the players to be able to put in a good performance to give me a headache about selection for the next World Cup qualifiers. That's what I'm expecting. The players are in the shop window now. A lot of these players I haven't seen before. I've seen them in training, but I haven't seen them in the battle. So I need to see what they're going to be like against Peru and for them to give me a headache so that I can have selection problems come next week.
With 4 games in the space of 13 days plus travel, Hall says it is a situation the boys will have to mentally prepare for.
This is football and this is international football. You have to want to be part of this. This is not every player gets to be part of this. There's a small percentage of players they get the privilege to play international footballs, and travelling comes as part of it. It's not a local game where you can just go to the next town. You have to take a flight for most of your games, or at least half of them. So, yes, it's going to be a hard schedule, but this is what we want. We asked for this, so we've got to deal with it.
And despite being 7 points adrift of the top 4, Hall remains optimistic about World Cup qualification.
Of course, they have to. I mean, as the coach, I can't really say anything else, and I have to believe it myself. I have to inspire the rest of the players to believe it as well, and everybody else that comes with Jamaican football who's got the hopes and aspirations of the country. We need to be able to believe and have that belief in ourselves like we did all those years ago when we did it for the first time.
Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.